You might see it just as something you add to your meals to add some flavor to them, but it meant much more to our ancestors. Harvesting salt used to be a long and complicated process, so only the rich were able to afford it. Ancient Romans even paid their soldiers with it, and the army appreciated that. It helped them preserve food, so that was fair enough. If you look at the origins of the word salary, you'll even see something salt-like in it. Yes, it comes from the Latin word for salt. Did you know that? If not, like this video to show you have just learned something new. Okay, it is clear that salt was expensive and highly appreciated, but that is just one side of it. From very old times, it was used in different rituals because of its magical powers. Ancient Egyptians, for example, would not set on a journey without performing a ritual involving salt. They burnt it on hot coals to scare away the evil spirits. Then, and only then, the caravans got on their way across the desert. In Normandy, Scotland, and parts of Germany where witches were concerned, salt was used to protect the butter churns. The witches would not cross the protective salt line, and so they could not sour the butter or harm the cows. To cure a certain person who had been fairy-struck, people in Ireland used salt and recitation of the Lord's Prayer. When people in Bavaria had doubts if someone had been bewitched, they used salt to find out the answer. You can see people in the past believed in many things we now find funny. Many of their rites and tricks are now history. But using salt in rituals for its magical properties is still a thing. It is used as protection from evil and used as a purifier in Buddhism and Shintoism. People in Latin America use salt to create the rattlesnake of salt. They believe this magical formula can extend their lives and protect their homes and offices. It is traditional for some cultures to draw a line of salt through the entrance of their home to protect it from evil spirits and enemies. Ritual baths with sea salt are a common tradition in Africa. Have you ever noticed you feel relieved, fresh, and new after a salt bath? Even a skeptic would not deny it. So if you want to use the wisdom of the ages and get more out of salt than spicier meals and relaxing baths, here is what you can try. These easy and safe rituals will help you to purify and protect yourself and your family.